Good morning. My topic for the presentation is the role of environmental authority in project engineering, ensuring sustainable development. My name is Yash Sachdev, and I'll be guiding you through how environmental authorities influence project engineering to ensure that we not only achieve our project goals but also protect and sustain our environment. So let's start with the introduction. In this presentation, we will explore the crucial role that environmental authorities play in the planning and execution of engineering projects. We'll discuss why understanding and integrating these roles is not just about compliance but is essential for sustainable development. The insights we discuss today will help us manage environmental impacts effectively and embrace sustainability in our project practices. So, the purpose of today's talk to understand how environmental authorities impact project engineering and ensure projects promote sustainable development. Why it matters. Engineering projects have significant impacts on environment, and managing these impacts is crucial for sustainable development and legal compliance. So, what's the takeaway? Participants will gain insights into effectively navigating environmental regulations and collaborating with authorities to optimize project outcomes. Talk about some definitions, some key definitions. So first one is environmental authority. Agencies and organizations responsible for enforcing environmental laws, issuing permits and overseeing compliance with environmental regulations. Project engineering. A branch of engineering focused on managing and executing engineering projects from design through to completion and operational commencement, ensuring technical standards are met. Moving ahead, let's talk about the most important question: the importance of environmental authority. So, regulatory compliance ensures that engineering projects meet all necessary environmental laws to avoid legal penalties. Protective oversight monitors projects to prevent adverse effects on natural resources, wildlife, and human health. Sustainability advocates promote the use of sustainable materials, energy efficient processes, and innovative technologies that minimize environmental footprints. Environmental regulations and standards, local and national laws. Examples of specific laws applicable in your jurisdiction. For example, if you are in US, Clean Water Act, EU Habitats Directive, etc. International standards. ISO 14001 outlines criteria for an effective environmental management system. Impact on your project. Discuss how these regulations affect project timeline, cost, planning. Study project A. So let's take the project overview as description of an infrastructure project. Example, new bridge construction over a river. Environmental challenges. So what environment challenges it can have? Like issues like potential water pollution, disruption of local wildlife habitats, etc. Authority involvement. How environmental authorities were involved in the planning stage to mitigate impacts, including the adoption of specific construction methods and materials. Results: successful compliance with environmental regulations, enhanced project sustainability, positive community reception. Let's talk about the integration of environmental concerns. So first, environmental impact assessments, EIA. How EIAs are conducted and used to guide project planning and design. Early integration benefits. Discuss the benefits of integrating environmental considerations early in the project life cycle to avoid delays and additional costs. Tools and technologies. Introduction of tools like GIS for environmental mapping and modeling software for predicting impacts. So, the sustainability in engineering projects. Sustainable practices, use of recycled materials, renewable energy resources, water saving technologies can be considered sustainable practices. Innovative technologies, examples of new technologies being used in engineering projects that help reduce environmental impact. Example, solar powered construction equipment. Some case example can be using energy for the industry purposes. Challenges we can have and what are its solutions. So common challenges can be conflicting timelines, budget constraints, stringent regulatory requirements, strategic solutions. So what can be the strategic solutions? Collaborative planning with stakeholders, investing in compliance training for project teams, employing expert consultants. To conclude, summary of key points. Reiterate the importance of environmental authorities in guiding project engineering toward sustainable practices. Call to action. Encourage adoption of best practices and continuous learning in environmental management.